Hi guys, welcome to all in our YouTube channel. Hello sir. Today in this video we are talking about what will be correct header size for installation of 16 foot garage door. If your garage door width is about 16 foot, what will be your correct header size and what will be the rough opening? In this video we are find rough opening for installation of 16 foot garage door. Here is the diagram. In most of European country and United States of cold region, most of house is built of wooden frame structure, and there are various component of wooden frame garage door. This is the bottom plate known as seal plate. This one is jack stud and this one is jack stud which support the load of header. This one is header which is placed over the opening of door. It is act as simply beam like a structure above the header. This one is cripple stud which support the load, and this one is top plate. And what is the function of header? Header is placed over the garage door opening, and it collect the load above the structure, and it transfer to the jack stud, and jack stud finally transfer the load to king stud. This is king stud, and the load coming from king stud goes to sill plate and finally goes to soil. First, in this video, we found a rough opening for installation of 16 foot garage door. This one is actual door opening width, which is about 16 foot. And what is a rough opening? This one is rough opening width, including the door jamb. Actual door width is about 16 foot, then rough opening width is about 3 inch more than actual door width. That's why rough opening width will be 16 foot 3 inches. 16 foot 3 inches. And actual door height. Actual door height, this one is height, which is about 7 foot. And rough opening height will be about 1.5 inch taller than actual door height. That's why rough opening height will be 7 foot 1.5 inches tall. And what will be header length? Header length for 16 foot garage door will be always garage door header length is about 9 inch longer than actual door width. That's why header length will be 16 foot 9 inches. This is the rough opening required for installation of 16 foot garage door. And what will be header size? If you want to find correct header size for installation of 16 foot garage door, you know that header size depends on building code, wood species, dead load, and live load, and many other factors. But our suggestion, if want to install 16 foot garage door, then header size will be one piece of 5 and 1 by 8 inches multiplied by 11 and 7 by 8 inches Versa-lam, or it can be Glulam or laminated veneer lumbar. This is correct header size required for installation of 16 foot garage door. 5 inches and 1 by 8 inches multiplied by 11 and 7 by 8 inches. This is depth and this is